Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to add Google Site Verification for Search Console by inserting the verification meta tag to connect with GSC. Navigate to your Grigora dashboard and click on Settings in the sidebar. Go to the Integrations section within Settings. You'll find the Google Site Verification meta field where you need to paste your Search Console meta content. For that, open Google Search Console website and click Start Now. You'll see two options: domain and URL prefix. Select URL prefix, enter your website URL, and click Continue. In the other verification methods, select HTML tag. Copy the HTML tag that appears, but you only need the meta content value, the text inside the double quotes after content equals. Return to your Grigora integrations page and paste the meta content value into the Google Site Verification meta field. Click Save.
To sync all changes, simply save and publish your site. After publishing, revisit Google Search Console and click Verify under the HTML tag.
That's how you add Google Site Verification meta tag in Grigora to connect your website with Google Search Console for search performance tracking.